Hey everyone, it's Caden here with another episode of Single Section Sunday, and today we are in the Sunshine Farmhouse Model 313. Now you may be asking, well, why is it called a Sunshine? That's because the sun is always shining when you're in this gorgeous home. And if you'll take that and look right behind me, look at this huge kitchen. Guys, you've got this massive bar area. You can do bar stools, so if you've got a big family and you don't really like eating at the table, man, you can do bar stools going all along this, all along the front, and even on the other side of the bar. It opens up into a gorgeous kitchen. You've got your side-by-side fridge. You've got your sink right here. Overlooks with a window right here. That's a huge window, and love the archway. Give it some more character. You've got all the cabinetry back here, the smooth top stove, the microwave. You see what's unique about this home is the size. Guys, this is for the person who wants the square footage but doesn't really need a multi-section home. Maybe because it's too expensive for a multi-section home. Guys, this is the perfect combination because you get 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a bonus room that could easily be converted into a 4th bedroom with this model. So let's check out the master. The beauty of it is with big families, you typically got kids, you typically got loud kids. Beauty of it, you've got split bedrooms, they can have their end of the house, you have yours, you can sleep in quiet. You've got a huge master bedroom here. Going inside, you've got the gorgeous ceiling fan, crown molding going all throughout here. If you look right in here, you've got a gorgeous master bathroom. You've got a walk-in closet, you've got a walk-in tile shower, sink, commode, everything that you need to get your business done in this home. Let's go check out the rest of the house. You can see right through here, we did a chair rail, giving the house some very nice character going throughout your home. We did this all the way throughout the rest of the house here. You can see we've got your wood ceiling beams to give it some more accent. You can see why this is called the Sunshine Farmhouse, because we've got the farm look without the expensive price of a big, huge house. You've got the open living room. It flows very nicely into your kitchen area. Everything's open. Guys, if you've got a big family, openness is key, not just for your family, how it operates, but in your house as well. So let's look back here. This will lead you into your bedrooms, your bonus room, and your extra bathroom. We've got your first bedroom right here, followed by your first bathroom back here for your guests. Leads you into the bonus room. This is what's so cool about this house. You've got all of this extra space because this is a massive single section house. Biggest single section that you'll ever be able to get. This can easily be converted into a 4th bedroom. It can be converted into a homeschool room. It can be converted into an office. Guys, the options are endless because you've got this extra space. You keep your 3 bedrooms. This is just a bonus feature. You can look at the gorgeous barn door right here. If you open that right up, this is where your washer dryer goes. That way, oh, and apparently your lost socks, if you can see the sign there. But this is where your washer dryer goes. A lot of people don't want to hear their washer dryers. Close it off with your barn door. Never have to hear it. You look right in here. You've got your final bedroom right here. We've got the closet. We've got the ceiling fan. We've got the crown molding. We've got the baseboards. Guys, you've got everything that you need in this home. You've got the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bonus area. You are set. Let's go check out how open everything is. You leave right here out of your bonus area. You've got your back door, you've got your guest bathroom, guest bedroom. If you follow me in here, you'll see the gorgeous oasis and why we call it the farmhouse. You've got the chair rail going throughout, you've got the ceiling beams, you've got the ceiling fans, you've got the gorgeous cabinets, you've got the gorgeous countertop, the big island for the big family. Guys, whatever you need in this home, it can offer you. Thank you for checking out another episode of Single Section Sunday. Remember, like, comment, share this video, and remember, if you share this video with someone who purchases, I'll send you a check. Have a great day.